east coast of Barbados, which is 1,000 feet above sea level. It is almost like a drone shot, and this is the closest to a drone shot you will ever see from me for the time being of Barbados. We're overlooking the east coast in the parish of St. Andrew and St. Joseph. You can even see some sargassum seaweed on the beach as well, on the shores. And the parishes of St. Andrew and St. Joseph are the two parishes in Barbados referred to as the Scotland district, and they're referred to as such because they resemble the Scotland countryside. We're overlooking northeast now into the parishes of St. Andrew and St. Joseph, where you will be overlooking Spar Hill, Less Beholden, Chalky Mount, Napoleon's Head, which is referred to as the sleeping giant. It is referred to as such because of its shape, with a giant lying on its back with a leaf formation or something in its mouth. We're overlooking Springfield, St. Elizabeth, Gags Hill, Catawash, Lakes Beach, Morgan Lewis Beach, Lombard Beach, Catawash, Super Martins Bay, and Bath Beach. And southeast now we are looking towards the parishes of St. Philip and St. John with Concept Beach. And Concept Beach and that area. Concept Beach is in College Savannah, St. John, which is a fishing village, a fishing beach, just below St. Mark's Anglican Church. Looking northeast, and we can also see Mount Hillaby from here as well, which is the highest point in Barbados. And this is all Hackletons Ciff at Malvern in St. John. You can see the sunset from here as well. You can now hear the waves crashing on Bathsheba and that area. We're overlooking Bathsheba and Andromeda Gardens in the parish of St. Joseph. And we're overlooking St. Elizabeth. You can see the St. Elizabeth Primary School, Gags Hill, and that area in the parish of St. Joseph. So this is Hackletons Ciff in St. John, Barbados, overlooking the east coast of Barbados. The third highest point in Barbados. So thank you guys for watching once again, and have a blessed evening.